Do you have bookshelf? Don't wait for things to happen. Make them happen. The mind is a problem generating machine. It creates a problem where none exists. It keeps you preoccupied with hypothetical problems, never allowing your peace. Be careful of this tendency of the mind. Otherwise, your life will be spent worrying about imaginary problems. Don't show me your degree, show me your bookshelf. Everyone makes mistakes. Your mistakes tell you where you can improve. True fools don't understand that they have been foolish. Living a simple life doesn't mean a boring one. It means being aware of what works effectively for you and those around you. Eliminate drama and inner turmoil. Do that and find peace, guys. Find peace.